morning. My name is Rosanna Sar from Creative Adventures, and today I would like to invite you to do another fun project with recyclable materials. So we are going to use a box of thin cardboard, like a pizza box or a cereal box, and you're going to cut a base, a small one. Doesn't have to be big. So for example, I cut my little base, and then with the leftovers, I'm going to start creating different shapes. Like for example, I can add a heart. And then I'm going to invite you to do a smaller heart that you can place on top or on the side. So in this one, for example, I create a heart and then I add to it a word. And I added overlapping to create like 2-3 layers of the cardboard. Once I have that, I'm going to use a piece of foil, aluminum foil. With the shiny part up, I'm going to put my card down and I'm going to fold the foil around my card like this. Okay? You see? Now I have it like that. So now I'm going to rub it till I see all the shapes that I created with my cardboard. You see how the shapes comes out? In order for the shapes to show a little better, what are we going to do? We are going to add a little tempera. So very thin layer. You can do it one side, you can do it the other, till everything is covered. Okay? Once this dries, then I'm going to go with my green side of the sponge and very gentle and softly in little circles, I'm going to pull the relief to show so it will come out bright and I can see the words and the shape that I created. Let me show you another sample that I did, a little bigger. So this is a sun. In the center, I did 4 layers of the circles. I wrote a word. And on the rays, I did 2 layers. So when I put the foil, I added shoe polish. When I add the shoe polish, it creates a lot of contrast, especially when I pull away with the green side of the sponge, very gentle, and I brought back the shapes that I created. That's it. Very simple. A lot of fun. I did this with kids in Creative Adventures. So here you have some samples as well. And if you want to see more of these samples and more of different projects, you can check on the books that we created. I hope you enjoy it and looking forward to see you next Thursday for another fun project with recyclable materials and some hope. Stay safe. Bye.